Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool model right here, and basically what this is a toilet stool, or you can call it as a poop stool. So this is supposed to be helpful for if you guys want to get a better experience and makes it easier for you guys to go on your number 2s. And the cool thing about the one that we got right here is the fact that they mentioned how it's detachable, so it saves a lot of space when you guys are not using it. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when we first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let's take everything out. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see the product is all nicely wrapped right here. So these are basically the legs right here, and the back right here is actual stool where you're going to put your feet on. So take everything out to show you guys what it actually looks like, and then we'll actually set it all up. Alright, so right here is one of the feet. If you can see, they definitely have the non-slip material on the bottom to prevent it from moving around when you guys set up. And then this is basically what the top part looks like. So they provide guys 2 of these legs right here. And the material that they use on here is plastic, but they mention how it's premium plastic material. But right here is the last part, which is actual stool where you guys want to put your feet on. So this is basically what it looks like on the bottom, and here's what it looks like on top. So all you guys need to do is just insert this inside right here. Alright, so once you guys put it in, this is basically what it looks like for one side. Let's do the same thing for the other side as well. Alright, so once you guys put it in, this is basically what it actually looks like. So here's what it looks like right here. Here's what it looks like on the side. And here's what it looks like on the bottom part right here. So you can definitely see they do have the non-slip material here, here, and also right here and here. But when you guys look at the top part right here, they definitely have like that non-slip material and anti-skid material to prevent it from like moving around when you guys put your feet on here. And the product, like I mentioned, is pretty cool because when you guys are not using it, you can definitely just pull it out really easy like this. And you guys can just put it on one side until you guys need it again. Or if you guys want to, just have it set up and just leave it there. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. Let me actually bring this over to the toilet to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys actually set it up and how to actually use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the product all set right here. If you can see, this is basically what it actually looks like. So when you guys try to move the bottom of the product, it will not move. Let me actually put down the camera and show you guys what I mean. Alright, so when we try to move the product, you can see that won't move. It barely moved because of that non-slip material on the bottom. But basically when you guys want to use the product, you guys can hold it on the side right here and just lift it to however far you guys need. So if you guys want it right here, then that should be fine. You just want to open up the toilet and just sit on here and start using it. So let's just show you guys a quick example. So let's say for example I want to go for my number 2 right now. I want to pull it out like this. I can put my feet on top right here. Just like that, so that way it's elevated a little bit and definitely help you guys with that posture and position right here. It makes it a lot easier for you guys to do your number 2 as well, which is pretty awesome. And then when you guys are done using it, you guys can move this away to one side. If you guys want to push it all the way in here, you definitely can as well, and that saves space as well. If you don't want to have inside right here, another option is to go like this and put this on one side like this. So just like that. But I feel like if you guys put this inside right here, it doesn't waste any space at all. It just goes inside right here and it's kind of like hidden. But this is basically what the product looks like in terms of how to use it. If you guys can see, definitely really cool and very space saving, and definitely will be super helpful over time when you guys use it a lot to go for your number 2s. Welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product, and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. Super easy to use and super easy to actually put away if you can see from the video. So if you want to get like an easier and better experience in terms of going for your number 2, then you definitely want to get one of these right here because it actually works really well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it should work or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to make it easier for you guys to actually go for your number 2, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.